everybody, this is again Aurora from London Skate Life, and today I'm going to show you how to do the angel slide.
That was good!
So this is how the angel slide looks like, and it might look a little bit difficult for those who just started to slide, but actually this slide is not complex at all. It just requires you to slide while you're not looking where you're going. Now, what you need to know to do an angel slide is your body is really symmetrical. This time you're not going to try to look backward. You need to open the slide and have the arms at the same rate, the legs move at the same time. The weight should be on the heel of the skates, both of them. You start to go backward, stay very symmetrical, prepare the inside edges, and begin. The final thing you want to consider is to keep your body a little bit forward to contrast the speed direction. And now I hope you know how to do it, and I hope you're going to try. If you can do 2 power slides at the same time, or if you can do power slides on a different times, you should be able to do this slide. So make sure you warm up first your power slides, both of them, and then try them at the same time. If you try, let me know, let me see the result, and if you have any question, let me know too. Thank you very much.